I did already. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay.
That was so fast.
I don't actually know if I got that because I shook.
I thought before I went, this is dangerous. I could probably hit a tree. And then I thought I can't remember. I just thought like, be careful or something. And I thought well, that's partly why I wore the helmet. But thankfully I kind of hit the tree like with my arm like this. So it wasn't like a bad thing, but it was closer to a dangerous thing than you normally want. But it's really fun over there going into that thing and stuff. Okay, so I just went snow kayaking for the first time, and the hill behind our house is not very steep at one point, and then it kind of makes a turn and gets a lot steeper, and there's lots of trees everywhere. So I was trying to find paths that, and even when I've sledded back there, I try to find paths that avoid the trees. There's this one spot that I sledded on the steeper part where usually sleds you can't steer very well, so you tend to want to just get yourself lined up and then just go straight down. Well, that kayak you can kind of steer it by leaning, and it carves one edge or the other, and then you also have a paddle to try to help. But so there's a steeper part of the hill that I wanted to try, but there's more trees over there, and I tried it, and I'm okay, but I hit a tree, so I wasn't sure. I'm not sure how to edit that part. And then this is me saying, I tried a different route. I tried to come in from the side and then turn and then go straight down, and it kind of worked, but it was way faster than I expected it to be. And you can't really see it in the footage probably, but I put my arm up like this, and you can see just a little bit of scrapes. I put my arm up like that and went, as I ran into the tree sideways. And then my wife is filming, so you can hear her say, "Are you okay?" right away, which is good. I appreciate her a lot. It was actually so fun. When I got to the top of the hill, I was like, I want to do it again, but I'm not going to, because that was dangerous. Anyway, that's all, I guess. I don't know what. I feel like it needed sort of like an explanation or something, not just stick the clip in and then see ya. So I didn't say it. I didn't say all this kind of stuff in the outro because I wasn't sure if my wife had gotten the clip, because she said she stopped looking at the camera just because I started going so fast. She just watched me to see how I was doing. Anyway, try not to be reckless. I just got back, and I wore these kind of slipper things because normal boots or even shoes won't fit into the bow of that really low volume whitewater kayak. They worked great. I mean, I have a pair of smart wool socks on. My feet were warm. It was easy to walk through the snow. That was cool. So yeah, it was fun, but a lot of work. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye!